Hey YouTube, it's Chris here. This is the paper gun. Okay, it's pretty cool. I'm just going to show you guys today how it fires. These are the bullets right here. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to get the bullet, and we're going to put the bullet inside there. Down, and put it inside the gun. Once you put it inside, you got 2 holes. Now you can get your other bullet, put it inside there. Now it's going to shoot like a double shooter pistol. And look at the wall over there. Now it's a double shooter pistol. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Yeah, I look good, don't I? See you guys.